Hello viewers, welcome again in our class. Today we're going to cover English for today for students of class 5. I have thought something new today. Today we try to continue our discussion through English. We'll keep conversation, we'll talk to each other in English. I have seen yesterday that the topics, the materials covered in this chapter is quite easy. We'll easily able to pick the summary and understand what is written in Unit 5. Okay? It's very cold today in Pabna, isn't it, Hemanto?
Yes.
It's very cold. Okay, if necessary, we will speak Bangla, but we will try to discuss in English today. It will be a demo class for you. It will be a practice exercise for you and also for me. I am also not habituated with speaking English. But we should try, we should practice, then we will do better. You got me, Hemanto? Okay, let's start Unit 5. You take your book and pencil with you, it will be more helpful for you. Okay, Hemanto, let's start. What do you see at first? Read from point A.
I see a calendar.
Read and say.
There are 12 months in the calendar and I see a clock in the side of the calendar.
You see a clock. All the months are there. All the 12 months are there.
Yeah.
Okay. What is written below the calendar? Read from here.
There are 60 seconds in a minute.
What does it mean?
তারপর হচ্ছে 60 সেকেন্ডে 1 মিনিট হয়।
Fine.
তারপর there are 60 minutes in an hour. তারপর 60 মিনিটে 1 ঘন্টা হয়। There are 14 hours in a day.
24 hours.
24 hours in a day. তারপর হচ্ছে 24 ঘন্টায় হয় একদিন। There are 7 days in a week. তারপর হচ্ছে 7 দিনে হয় এক সপ্তাহ। There are 12 months in a year. 12 মাসে হয় এক বছর। There are 365 days in a year. তারপর হচ্ছে 365 দিনে হয় এক বছর।
অন্যভাবেও মানেটা করতে পারি। You can tell it differently. You can tell the meaning differently. এক বছরে থাকে 65 দিন অথবা 365 দিনে হয় এক বছর। দুইভাবে আমরা বলতে পারি। We can say it in many ways. Okay.
There are 366 days in a leap year. তারপর 366 দিনে হয় এক লিপ ইয়ার, লিপবর্ষ।
366 days makes a leap year. A leap year consists 366 days, where a regular year consists 365 days. You got it?
Yes.
Then Zarif, read B.
I have a question.
Okay, tell me.
Leap year means Borshopunji, right?
No. Borshopunji means calendar. A leap year means a year with 366 days. Where
Meaning.
where the month of leap year meaning in Bangla, I don't know, probably it's leap year. The difference is that a leap year has 29 days in the month of February, and that's why the total number of days in that year become 366. Got it? Okay, read B.
Pervert, say the days of the week.
Say, this chapter includes the practice of pronunciation. How do we pronounce word? we practice pronunciation here. Okay, read out.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday.
You have read all. Finished. Okay, go to section C.
There are 12 months here: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
It's not August, it's August. We can say August in Bangla, but you have to say August,
August.
in English.
Yes.
People who come from Western countries, they also say January as January
January.
or something like that. But we don't say in that way. Our English is more similar to the Indian English. We pronounce words in the Indian accent or our Bangladeshi accent. English, the accent of English differs from country to country. Do you understand, Hemanto, what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Okay. Then section D. Zarif, please read.
Listen, read, and say. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. Now sing them together so we can all hear. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. We know them all. Let's give a cheer.
What's the meaning of cheer?
Anandu.
Cheer means Anando, Ullash, Utshaho, Obhinandon. And there are some other meanings. You can find that in a dictionary. I suggest you to take the help of the dictionary published by the Bangla Academy. In my view, that dictionary is the best dictionary now. The dictionary published by Bangla Academy. Okay, we have finished D. Now go to E. Hemanto, please read.
Pair work, ask and answer the question. তারপর যুগল কাজ, তারপর প্রশ্নগুলোর উত্তর দাও। তারপর then make your own question about the month. তারপর তোমার নিজের প্রশ্ন তৈরি করো মাস সম্পর্কে।
Okay, read out.
তারপর
Question number 1.
Question number 1. What month is it now?
Zarif, can you please say what month? Question number 1. What month is it now? এখন কি মাস?
It's
Question number 1.
it's
It's the month of January now. Isn't it, Hemanto?
Yes.
It's the month of January.
January.
Okay. Question number 2. Hemanto?
What is the first month of the year?
Zarif?
January is the first month of the year.
What is the last month of the year?
December is the last month of the year.
Question number 4. What month is after May?
The month June is after May.
Question number 5. What month is before October?
The month September is before October.
The month of September is before the month of October. Okay. Go to next page. Section F. Look, read and say. Complete the sentences from the calendar. We see a calendar here.
Yes.
You all are seeing, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Another question.
Then the
pronunciation is calendar or calendar.
Calendar. You can say calendar.
Okay.
We are seeing a calendar here. Fine. Then there is a passage. Hemanto, try to complete it. The calendar shows
The calendar shows the month of the of dash the first day of the year 220. The calendar shows the month of January
The calendar shows the month of January 2021.
হ্যাঁ
Good, next line.
তারপর হচ্ছে দ্য ফার্স্ট ডে অফ দ্য ইয়ার 2020 is a Wednesday.
Oh, it's written 2020 in your book, and it's 2021 in Zarif's book, and 2020 in my book. It will create complicacy. We'll be in puzzle to solve this. Better we follow the latest version of the book where they are using the year 2021. If you want to match 2020 with 2021, we will be in trouble. Our answers will differ. Okay, let's follow this book. It's the latest book. Okay, Hemanto,
Okay.
you got it? Okay, now read. Hemanto, the first day of the year 2021 is a
Friday.
Friday. The first Thursday of the month is 7.
7.
Seventh day.
Oh, it's 7. There are 4 Saturdays.
হ্যাঁ
Is there 4 Saturdays? No, there are 5 Saturdays. The passage written after the month of January doesn't match with the calendar given here. Nobody can match this.
no
Do you understand? This passage doesn't match with the calendar, but we can solve the problem. Maybe it will be creating some confusions, but we solve the problem. Whatever it is, we solve the problem. Okay. The first day is a first day is a what we read now? First day is Friday. Okay. I have written the answers yesterday. The first Thursday of the month is 7th. There are 4 Saturdays, although we are seeing there are 5 Saturdays in the month. Okay, I'm reading what is written on this passage. Sundays, they are telling there are 4 Saturdays, Sundays, Mondays and dash.
dash
If I assume that all things written here are correct, then we can fill in the blank by writing there are 4 Saturdays, Sundays, Mondays and Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays in the month. But there are 5 Wednesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays, Sundays and Fridays. But it's creating confusion. We are puzzled. But when the passage is consistent with the calendar provided, then we'll be able to solve the problem. We'll be able to fill in the blanks. You got it, Hemanto?
Okay.
Okay. Read G.
Pair what? Look at the calendar. Ask and answer the questions. Question number 1. What day is the 10th day of January?
10th of January.
10th of January.
10th of January. It's a Sunday. What is the date of the first Saturday of the month? প্রথম শনিবারের তারিখ কি? The first Saturday of the month is the date 2. The first Saturday of the month is 2. See here. What day is the 20th of January? The 20th of January is a Wednesday. It's not Wednesday, it's Wednesday. Question 4. What is the date of the last Friday of the month? The date of the last Friday is 29.
29.
I read it yesterday. That's why I'm doing better than you. Okay, Hemanto. Fine. How many weekends are there in the month? There are five weekends in the month. What does weekend mean, Hemanto?
সাপ্তাহিক ছুটির দিন।
ছুটির দিন, holiday, right?
সপ্তাহে ছুটি।
Okay, Zarif, now read H, section H. Hurry up.
Ask and answer the questions. What day is it today? What is today's date?
What day is it today? Today is Wednesday, isn't it?
Yes,
What is today's date? It is
Wednesday.
What is today's date? It is what is the date? It is 12th or 11th, 17. What's the date today? I don't know.
I think that's 13.
I think
13. It's 13. Okay. Today is 13th January 2021. What day was it yesterday? গতকাল কি বার ছিল? Yesterday was
yesterday was 12th
Tuesday. What day was it yesterday? It was Tuesday. Tuesday. What was yesterday's date? গতকালকের তারিখ কি ছিল?
Yesterday was 19, Tuesday 29.
What?
I mean 12,
Yesterday was 12th January 2021. What day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow is a Thursday. What is tomorrow's date? Tomorrow is the 14th January 2021. Go to next page.
Okay.
Stress syllabus. Do any of you know the meaning of syllable? Syllabus. I found an
শব্দাংশ
Shabdangsho. Correct. Absolutely correct. I have searched a simple definition yesterday. I found it in the internet. Okay. What's the definition saying us? Syllable is a part of word that is pronounced with one uninterrupted sound. Syllable is a part of word that is pronounced with one uninterrupted sound. এটা একটা শব্দের মধ্যে uninterrupted থাকে, মানে শব্দটা চেঞ্জ হয় না, এরকম।
ওকে
বল, ফুট একটা সিলাবল, বল, ball is another syllable. The word football consists 2 syllables.
yes
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead. Zarif, read.
English has its rhythm.
Do you know the meaning of rhythm?
no
Rhythm means chondo, tal. The similarity of one with another.
Clap
Okay.
your hands when you say the stressed syllable.
Speak loudly. Clap your hands when you say the stressed syllables. Okay. The stressed syllables are highlighted here using the color blue. Do you understand, Hemanto? Stressed syllable. Okay, I am reading and you clap. Hemanto, got it? Zarif, got it? You have to clap when the stressed syllables. I will emphasize the stressed parts. Pen, clap.
clap
You have to clap. Clap with me. Zarif, get ready. Pen, hen, cat, hat. A pen, a pen, a hen, a cat, a hat, a pen, and a hen, and a cat, and a hat, Okay, probably you got me. You understand?
Yes.
You probably understood what they're trying to say.
Yes.
That is?
Yes.
Okay. Then we go to section Z. Zarif,
Okay.
would you please read?
Look, listen and say. Jump, clap, bend your knees, go forward, go back. Do it again, please.
Do you understand the meaning of the first line of these lines? Hemanto?
তারপর
Jump, clap,
জাম্প ক্ল্যাপ
লাফাও।
লাফাও এবং তালি দাও। বেন্ড ইওর নিস, তোমার হাঁটুগুলো ভাঁজ করো। গো ফরওয়ার্ড, পিছনে যাও।
Go forward, সামনে যাও।
গো ব্যাক, মানে অর্থ পিছনে যাও। ডু ইট এগেইন প্লিজ, তুমি কি এটা দয়া করে আবার করতে পারবে?
Fine. Zarif, read.
Go forward also means সামনে এগিয়ে যাও।
হ্যাঁ, fine.
Jump, clap, nod your head, turn left, turn right, touch something red.
Can you say the meaning, Hemanto? লাফাও, হাততালি দাও। Nod your head. What is the meaning of
মাথা
nod?
ঝাঁকানো, মাথা কাঁপানো।
মাথা নাড়ানো। Okay. ঘাড় নাড়ানো। Okay. I will listen to you. Okay. I will do the work. You got me? You understood the meaning, Hemanto?
ইয়েস।
Nod. মাথা ঘাড় নাড়ানো, মাথা ঝাঁকানো। ঠিক আছে। তারপরে জারিফ,
Jump, clap, sit on the floor, arms up, arms down, open the door.
probably you now understood the meaning. What's the meaning of chair? We read it already. Okay. Say the rhyme in activity J again. We have said the rhyme in activity
J.
Clap when you say the stressed words or parts of words. Okay, we have finished reading Unit 5. Today it's very cold today. I'm not feeling better physically. I'm sneezing and suffering from cold. That's why we're going to finish our class today. Stay with us and wait for the next class. See you. Bye.